Welcome to Vigo, a coastal city in Galicia that's full of surprises. Did you know that Vigo is home to the world's largest fishing port, supplying seafood worldwide? Or that just off its shores lies the fabled treasure from the Battle of Rande, where Spanish galleons were sunk with loads of silver during a 1702 naval battle? And here's something unexpected. This modern city is surrounded by ancient Roman ruins hidden in its hillsides and beaches, quietly preserving the region's fascinating past. Let's explore the rich layers of Vigo and discover why this city is a true hidden gem on Spain's coast. Exploring the Cíes Islands. We'll start just off Vigo's coast with the breathtaking Cíes Islands. Known as the Galician Caribbean, these islands are part of the Atlantic Islands National Park and are carefully protected for their unspoiled beauty. A ferry from Vigo brings you here, but only a limited number of visitors are allowed each day, ensuring these pristine shores stay that way. The Cíes Islands are perfect for hiking enthusiasts and nature lovers. Several trails weave through the islands, leading to the Monte Faro Lighthouse, which provides jaw-dropping views of the ocean and surrounding coastline. And if you're into snorkeling, the waters here are crystal clear and teeming with marine life, a true paradise for underwater adventurers. Cíes is a day trip paradise, but if you're looking for an extended stay, there's an option for camping. But book ahead. Cíes only allows a small number of campers, so you'll have plenty of space to enjoy the peace and quiet. With stunning beaches like Playa de Rodas, which has been named among the best beaches in the world, it's an experience you won't forget. Discovering Casco Vello, Vigo's old town. Next, we're heading into the heart of Vigo, Casco Vello, the city's historic old town. This area is the essence of Vigo's past, with stone houses, narrow alleyways, and cozy plazas. You'll want to start at Plaza de la Constitución, a central meeting point full of cafes and charming little shops. Take your time wandering through the winding streets. There's history around every corner. Many of the buildings in Casco Vello date back centuries and carry stories from Vigo's days as a bustling port town. The architecture here combines traditional Galician stonework with a maritime influence, unique to this region of Spain. While in Casco Vello, make sure to stop by Iglesia de Santa Maria, a church with a history dating back to the 19th century. The church's design is simple yet elegant, reflecting the humility and character of Vigo itself. If you're here in spring, keep an eye out for local celebrations and festivals, which often take place right here. Castro Fortress and its panoramic views. High above the city sits the historic Castro Fortress, originally built in the 1600s as a defense against invaders. It offers panoramic views of Vigo and the beautiful bay below. The walk up is worth every step. On a clear day, you can see the entire city, the coastline, and even spot the distant Cíes Islands. The fortress has a fascinating history, standing as a testament to Vigo's resilience. Over the centuries, it was used to fend off pirates and foreign invaders, and its strategic location atop a hill made it a formidable defense point. As you explore, you'll find ancient cannons and old walls, reminders of the city's tumultuous past. Surrounding the fortress, you'll find beautifully landscaped gardens with stone pathways that make for a scenic walk. The park is filled with locals and visitors alike, enjoying the views and the lush greenery. There's even a small cafe where you can relax and take in the landscape. Relaxing at Playa de Samil. No visit to Vigo is complete without some time at Playa de Samil. This beach is Vigo's most popular, and with good reason. It's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or just taking in the coastal beauty. The beach is spacious, with fine sand and calm waves, making it ideal for families or anyone looking for a relaxing day by the sea. Playa de Samil is more than just a beach. It's a recreational hub with pools, sports courts, and playgrounds. There's a boardwalk that's perfect for strolling or jogging, and plenty of cafes nearby. If you're into photography, this is a great spot for sunset views, with the horizon stretching endlessly over the Atlantic. Parque Monte del Castro. Another must-see is Parque Monte del Castro, a stunning green oasis perched atop one of Vigo's hills. Known for its expansive views and peaceful atmosphere, this park offers a retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Here you'll find winding walking trails shaded by tall trees, quiet picnic areas, and scenic spots to sit and take in the city from above. The park's viewpoints offer fantastic panoramic perspectives over the bay, making it an ideal place to watch the sunrise or sunset over the water. Locals often come here to relax, exercise, or enjoy a quiet afternoon walk, making Monte del Castro not only a tourist spot, but a beloved part of the community. With its mix of greenery, history, and breathtaking views, this park is the perfect stop to unwind and feel a true connection to Vigo. Touring Vigo Bay and mussel farms. Vigo's connection to the sea runs deep, and one of the most authentic ways to experience it is by taking a boat tour of Vigo Bay. The tour takes you along the calm waters, offering stunning views of Vigo's coastline and the lush green hills that frame the bay. During the trip, you'll have the chance to see the region's famed mussel farms up close, floating structures with ropes hanging below the water where the mussels grow and mature, showcasing one of Galicia's most prized exports. Many boat tours provide a deeper look at the traditional techniques used by local mussel farmers, who rely on generations-old methods to produce some of the finest seafood in the country. You'll learn how the mussels are cultivated on these submerged ropes, protected and nurtured by the bay's unique environment. And for those who enjoy fresh seafood, some tours even include a tasting experience, allowing you to savor these delicacies straight from the source. Beyond the mussel farms, a boat tour on Vigo Bay is simply a beautiful way to spend an afternoon, especially on a sunny day when the waters are calm and the coastline shines. Whether you're here to learn about mussel farming or just to enjoy the ocean air and scenery, Vigo Bay offers a perfect escape into Galicia's coastal beauty. Art, culture, and markets. Vigo is not only a city of history, but also a city of art. As you walk through the streets, you'll see vibrant murals and sculptures around nearly every corner. Perhaps the most iconic is El Sereno, a bold, modern statue of a half-man, half-fish that stands proudly in the city center, symbolizing Vigo's deep connection to the sea. Art here isn't confined to galleries, it's everywhere in the city, making Vigo feel like an open-air museum. You'll find murals that reflect local culture, maritime themes, and even some abstract pieces that add color to Vigo's cityscape. Finally, no visit to Vigo is complete without experiencing its local markets. Mercado da Pedra is Vigo's bustling marketplace, where locals come to buy everything from fresh seafood to handcrafted goods. It's a place full of energy, perfect for anyone wanting to experience Vigo's authentic side. Even if you're not looking to buy, the market is a sensory experience. Lively conversations, the scent of fresh produce, and the sight of stalls packed with goods. It's a slice of everyday life in Vigo and a fitting end to our journey through this remarkable city. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring Vigo with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures. See you in the next video.